The first thing that's happening is for all of us to be educated on all the things that are happening in our community that is supporting the education of students.
Right now we have Fairfield High School out over in this area, which we'll be joining them in about a half an hour. And we have Sassoon Valley Elementary at the top of Rockville Hills Park looking for macroinvertebrates in the creek. So we'll have the chance to see both things happening and see what they're experiencing on these types of activities.
Yeah, this is a wonderful experience to come out and actually watch the students from the local high school go down in the creek and really study the health of the creek by studying the habitat that's in it. And I think it's pretty exciting just watching them interact and climb in and out and getting their hands dirty, right? This is not your normal classroom.
We have 5 different programs, 5 different K through 12 programs that we specialize in. We have a 3rd grade program, our Watershed Explorers program, our middle school program, Sassoon Marsh program, 6th grade, high school program, biomonitoring. We have a Benicia water program that we work with City of Benicia, and we have our school water education program. Our mission is basically to get students outside.
Marianne and her group have built this tremendous educational program because you take the restoration and it's nothing to the next generation unless there's a message.
Today we're here for a Watershed Explorers field trip. Watershed Explorers is our 3rd grade program, which is really unique in that we take students out to a local park in their city.
Building a relationship with the land is something that every child should have. And there wasn't the money to actually do that without this program. And so these kids get to come out here, they get to actually build a relationship in literally like their backyard.
When we're looking at city leaders or community leaders, is also looking for the funding needed to be able to support and sustain.
As Marianne said, it's just an amazing program and we want to continue to grow, but we need more partners. There's other entities and agencies, the cities actually contribute as well, but the more that we can get, the more partners, the more kids we can reach.
Being able to get kids outside is a very unique way, not just critical, but an extremely ambitious way of using funding for a good centralized purpose by teaching stewardship.
I've had the privilege of working with Solano RCD and coming to their field trips. What jumps out to me the most is the way that they are able to give all the students in Solano County that hands-on opportunity to learn about the environment.
4 hours spent participating in outdoor science field trips is worth 1 whole month of classroom lessons. So it's huge.
We often look at what it means to look into our future, and if we don't teach our youth why this is important, we won't sustain this into the future. So this has a tremendous value within our society and right here at home here in Solano County.